A special delivery for people in Snoqualmie who ordered up pizza tonight. Firefighters showed up at their doorstep. So it's Fire Prevention Week, and firefighters were there to check their home smoke alarms. If the smoke detectors were working properly, the homeowners got their pizza for free. One firefighter told us he never thought they'd be delivering pizzas with a fire truck.
It's incredible on our side of things because it gets us out into the homes and into the community and a chance to make sure that everybody's safe, because not everybody checks their smoke detectors every year.
It is a good reminder for everyone to change the batteries on their smoke detectors.